Hey everyone, today we are going to install another Linux-based operating system, Ubuntu. In our last video we explored gaming on Bazite Linux, and just like that, Ubuntu also offers gaming capabilities. Will this replace Microsoft Windows? Let's find out. Don't forget to subscribe. First, we need to download the Ubuntu ISO file from ubuntu.com. The file size will be over 5 GB and website will automatically detect your CPU architecture, whether it's Intel or AMD. Once the download is complete, we'll create a bootable USB. Open Rufus and select the ISO file we just downloaded. Choose GPT instead of MBR and leave the other settings as default. Click on Start. Select Write in DD image mode, then click OK to continue. The process will take a few minutes, and once done, your Ubuntu bootable USB will be ready. When restarting your computer, keep pressing the F11 key repeatedly until the boot menu appears. Select your USB drive and press Enter. In the grub menu, choose Try and install Ubuntu. Once the Ubuntu installation setup loads, close any pop-ups or dialogs. Click the Install Ubuntu icon on the desktop to begin the installation. After selecting your language, keyboard layout, and network connection, you may receive a notification about an installer update. Click Update Now and restart the installer. On the installation prompt, choose Interactive Installer and click Next. On the next screen, select Extended Selection and continue. Check both boxes to install all necessary software and drivers. This step is crucial. We'll select Manual Installation to ensure Ubuntu is installed on our spare Samsung SSD and not the Windows disk. But if you don't want dual boot, simply click on Erase Disk and install Ubuntu from scratch. Identify the spare SSD listed as SDA and create a new partition table. Click on Free Space, then select Device for bootloader installation and choose the spare SSD. Click Free Space again and then press the plus sign to create a new partition. Allocate all available space. Choose ext4 as the file system. Set the mount point to root and click OK. Select SDA2 and proceed to next page to create a user account. Set up your time zone and review your installation choices. Finally, click Install to begin the setup. The installation process will take 10 to 20 minutes depending on your system configuration. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. You will be able to choose between Windows and Ubuntu at startup. Select Ubuntu and press Enter to boot into it. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Ubuntu on your computer. Review the final settings and start exploring your new OS. Ubuntu is a Debian-based operating system, offering similar gaming capabilities to Bazite SteamOS, while also being great for productivity and many other tasks. Up next, we'll be testing gaming performance on both Ubuntu and Windows 11. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.